Good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about sports and nutrition. It's a very interesting topic and a very important topic for the sports persons. Our body requires the right kind of fuel from food in order to perform at its best. This right kind of food is known as diet. A diet is which contains carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals and vitamins. We should never forget to include water in our diet as it helps us to stay hydrated. A balanced diet. A diet that includes all the dietary needs of the human being in the right proportion is known as the balanced diet. In this balanced diet, carbohydrates, proteins, fiber, minerals, fats, vitamins and water. Need for balanced diet. A balanced diet is important because the body needs proper nutrition to work effectively. The following points show the need of the balanced diet. It leads to a good physical and mental health. It helps in proper growth of the body. It increases the capacity to work. It increases the ability to fight or resist against diseases. What is nutrition? The knowledge of food and nutrition leads towards a healthy life, and it is essential for every individual. Food comprises all the essentials components that are necessary for the survival of individuals, and nutrition is the dynamic process that comprises the consumption of food to remain healthy. Let us learn about the 6 nutrients which are needed for energy, tissues maintenance and regulation of bodily process. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, water, vitamins and minerals. Nutrition is divided into two parts. One is macronutrients, second one is micronutrients. In macronutrients, it is again divided into four parts: carbohydrates, proteins, fats and water. From micronutrients, it is divided into two parts. One is minerals and vitamins. Minerals again divided into two parts: macro minerals and micro minerals. Vitamins also divided into two parts: fat soluble vitamins, water soluble vitamins. Now we are going to study about these all things individually. Macronutrients. Macronutrients are required in large quantities, and the main function of these nutrients is to provide energy in the body. They are the major constituents of our diet. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates provide the energy required by our body, which keeps it going throughout the day. We have to do walking, jogging, running, playing. Simple carbohydrates are sweet in taste, and complex carbohydrates is not sweet in taste. Proteins are required for the growth and repairs in the living beings. It is important for health and physical activities. These are all the pictures what you are going to see, you are seeing, that are all proteins. Fats play an important role in our diet and one designed to fuel exercises. A single gram of dietary fat is equal to 9 calories. Saturated fats, polyunsaturated fats, monounsaturated fats. Saturated fats, these are high cholesterol fats, and their intake increases the chance of heart diseases. These fats are found in fast foods, pastries and biscuits. Polyunsaturated fats, these fats help in lowering the cholesterol level in the blood. Monounsaturated fats, these fats also help in lowering the cholesterol level in the blood. Water. Human beings can survive without food for several weeks, but they cannot survive without water. About 70% of our body weight is water. Water plays a vital role in our body. Micronutrients. Micronutrients play a key role in energy metabolism and stress exercises. It helps in energy production, maintenance of bone health, and proper immunity. Micronutrients also help in protecting the body against oxidative damage. These are all the minerals, macrominerals. Now microminerals. Microminerals contains this iron, zinc, iodine, copper, selenium, molybdenum, magnesium, and chromium. Fat soluble vitamins. The fat soluble vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. The vitamin A for vision health. Vitamin D is fortifies bones. Vitamin E is heart health and cholesterol. Vitamin K is coagulation problem, circulation. Water soluble vitamins. In this water soluble vitamins there are B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9 and B12 and C. B1 is thiamine, B2 riboflavin, B3 niacin, B5 pantothenic acid, B6 is pyridoxine, B7 is biotin, B9 is folate, B12 is cobalamin, C is ascorbic acid. This is the chart, height to weight ratio chart. The body mass index calculation, BMI. Body mass index means BMI. BMI is equal to weight in kgs by height in meters square. Okay, this is the chart, weight status and body mass index. Underweight will be below 18.5, normal is 18.5 to 24.9, overweight is 25 to 29.9, and obesity candidates are 30 and above. The pitfalls of dieting. Reduction of calories in diet. Most of the people reduce the intake of calories, which results in a huge loss of weight and proves to be dangerous for them. Restraining specific nutrients. As some nutrients such as carbohydrates and fats are restricted in dieting, but our body requires all types of nutrients. It affects the proper functioning of the body. Skipping of meals. Skipping of meals work against the weight loss plans as it slows down our metabolism rate. A good metabolism rate is very much required to maintain or lose weight. Low energy diet. A person who is on dieting usually underestimates their intake of calories. It is essential to know about the number of calories you take in your diet. Not preferring physical activities. If you go on dieting and do not exercise, it will work against weight loss and may lead to gaining more weight. Exercises and physical activities have a positive effect on metabolism and help you burn more calories. The food myths are eliminating carbohydrate rich foods, eating fat free labeled products, avoiding eggs, eating late night is over fattening, toned milk has less calcium than full cream milk, dieting or fasting may lose weight, healthy food is expensive, being vegetarian. If you take the intake of all these type of nutrients and you will be a good sports person. Thank you.